Hi, this is a short tutorial video on how to play Parsuit video game. Let's start. Select level. Parsuit game is a game about a robot who tried to revive space station. There are different equipment objects on the space stations, for instance this gate, button, but they do not work properly. This robot should move to this point, should achieve this point to end the task, but it can't as the gate preclude him from doing this. So to achieve the point, it needs to create a visual script, a program that will control button and gate, mainly gate, to open it and move forward. So to make a script, we need to go to the code editor. Code editor, script, new script. So let's name it OpenGate script. Okay, now I will select the object that will be controlled by this script. So button edit object, and now I select gate. You see it now appears in this list, and button. Okay, gate and button done. Now after selecting these objects, I have access to the functions in these objects. For instance, gate have function OpenGate. If I click it, I'll see a short description about this function, and this is function of the button. So I have two necessary functions: press button and open gate. Upon pressing button, the gate should be opened. So let's add these functions to our script. Double clicking on every method. Well, we have two nodes, and now we need to connect them. To connect, we should connect their special sockets. They have named function socket. So if you click here or here, you will find these function sockets. There are also other sockets. For example, this one. These are variable sockets, and I will tell about them a bit later. So now you need only this function socket. Press left mouse button and drag in this way. So you should always drag from the socket which looks like pointing out of the node to the socket which looks like pointing inside the node. You see it points inside the node, and this is out the node. If you want to delete the connection, just double click on the inside node and it is deleted. So one more time. So here is connection. But if we look at the OpenGate function, you see that here its variable is mentioned, true or false variable. So we should pass some variable inside this function to work properly. Clicking on this socket show us that this variable should be of this type bool type. And to add new variable, we should move again to the node panel, var tab, and you see this button with the variable of the same type, bool type. Okay, so double click on it, and now variable is on the screen. Okay, let's move and connect these sockets, also out socket, in socket. Now this variable is connected to our function. As long as we need to open the gate, we should pass true, not false. False is default value of this variable, and I'll change it to true. Okay. And change the name. To change the value or name, you need to double click, and then one more click to start editing. So gate state. I call it gate state. That's my new variable. So this is ready script, Visual Script. It means that upon pressing button with the name button2b, the next function openGate will be called with the variable true, openGate true. So let's save the script and launch it and see how it works in the game. So let's select our object. So here is gate and here is button. Button2b, it's the name that was in the script. Now it works. So press button and it is open. Now robot can move to the point and level pass. So you can easily modify this visual script. For instance, you can change the value to false. And now the same script will close the gate. Now we can move to two other scripts. There are only 3 levels in the demo version. I'll make more scripts soon, and I appreciate any feedback, comments to make this game better. Thank you for your attention.